Hello and welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in today's video I am going to show you my KDP income report for the month of Jan 2020. So we are here in book report, getbookreport.com. So let me refresh this for a sec. So this is current month, which is Feb, and till date I have made only $6.15. So this is just for one day, and this is for yesterday on Feb 1. So let's check out our Kindle Direct Publishing report for the month of Jan. Just go to this month, last month. So last month during Jan 2020, I have made $311.57 cents. So you can see here the sales started slow on Jan 1st Jan, almost zero sales, then 5.9, then I have a good day on $18, then dip there to 16.72, then 9 point something, and then 16 again, and then sales started dropping, and on 9 sales was 0, then continuously on 9, on 10, 11, 12 I had 0 sales, and I have come to know that this was due to an issue with KDP reporting. Then on 13 the sales starting showing again, and slowly and steadily I have been making sales 7.5 and 9 and 7.5 again and 9.92, and then on Jan 22 I had a spike in the sales, and that is $13.24. Then next day around about $20, then it's again started to drop 15, and I had again a lowest day on 26. Then again on Jan 30 I made $33.22. There was a spike again. So this means this spike may be these sales, missing sales may be reported on this day and on 30th Jan. So on the last day I made $10. So on the whole I have made $311.55, and I have a few low content books that I published during 2018 and 2017. One of them is making the most money, and this month alone it had made around $180. The remaining amount came from low content and a few low content books as well. So this was my earning part of Jan 2020. I hope you have earned much more than me and having a good publishing business. If you are new to my channel, I love to create videos about Kindle Direct Publishing and things like creating interiors and things like that. You can consider subscribing to my channel, and there is also a Facebook group on KDP Publishing. I will leave a link in the description of this video. Do join this group for mutual discussion and question and answers, and also subscribe to my channel and press the like button below this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.